For Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 50%. For Monday.
Alright, here we go.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Parker, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WWG 53, serves the following counties in western and northwestern Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Crawford, Forest, Indiana, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, and Venango. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. The forecast.
Alright guys, so hello everybody, my name is Andre Strauss, aka Venango EAS, and I have a little message. So everyone, I'd like to thank you for, I'd like to thank you for 50 subscribers. This is a wonderful experience, and I'm glad to share it with y'all. In that case, have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching.